Square. We think smarter to simplify your life at work.
India's leading business conglomerate, Adani Group, under the wise guidance of their corporate safety head, Mr. Birendra Verma, is strengthening their processes to enhance them to a world-class level. Their goal of zero harm has empowered and led them on a journey of safety cultural transformation to achieve OHS excellence. Mr. Verma's inspirational leadership drives the team to go beyond statutory requirements and achieve continual improvement, positive isolation of hazardous energies being on the topmost priority. Leaders lead by examples.
When we started Lotto in maybe around way back in 2005, I will tell you when we started looking into the different accidents happening in the earlier organization, and we looked into how we can prevent it, and we zeroed down to can we isolate the energy source when people are taking shutdown and all kind of things. So last 15 years we are working on to that, and where we have done actually we could save a lot of life into this. See, if you really do the Lotto in correct process and manner, it is 100% elimination of the fatality and serious injury or any incident related to the energy sources, provided it is done in a methodological and systematic way. People do not understand what is Lotto, how to do this. They only feel that, even I will tell you in many industry, adequately or the permit to work system itself is not deployed adequately. And when you add on the Lotto, people hardly understand. I'm telling you many, maybe around 5%, 10% industries are good in understanding that and putting that. But rest of the Indian industries are still not able to understand, or they have not been given the exposure on the Lotto kind of things. So competency and knowledge is a bigger problem in terms of Lotto deployment. Because isolation system, as I said, it's a multiple dimension. People generally look into the electrical. There are pneumatic, hydraulic kind of things are there. So if you are only focused to electrical system and you are still not very sure what kind of job will require isolations. I will tell you generally, if you have a equipment, it can have a 10 kind of job. It may be lubrication, maybe calibration, maybe alignment, maybe different kind of jobs. So each of the job may not require all the times isolations. There will be some job which will require only upstream isolations. There will be some job which will be requiring both upstream and downstream isolations. So if you are not very sure about what kind of isolation you require, then it will cause a lot of problem. Right. So the problem, as you discussed, the problem is that people do not have that kind of understanding. Which is the job which requires isolation, and whether it requires upstream or downstream or both. Training is one you can give later, right. But the guy who is joining you, if you do not select adequate person, some kind of, I have seen personally a electrical guy has been given an infrastructure job. So he will make the road like a cable tray. When you talk about the culture, safety culture is, I can say, very used incorrectly. So the culture is driven through the leadership behavior. How does the leaders behave? Start with a very simple kind of words. Isolation is a very high level of technical, work. It does not happen automatically, and it is not done till the value is seen, through the leaders. Okay, like ultimately the isolation will be done by the supervisor and the engineers. And it takes time. It's not easy to go there to really do this, isolate, put the lock number, lock, individual lock, group lock, note down the lock number in the permit to work. It takes time. And people always see that if you can make the shortcut, your activities are valued. People do not like anybody who takes a lot of time. So when you look into the culture, the leadership has to really applaud and recognize, reward those people who really value those energy isolation system. I must appreciate your organization, Nalinji, because we are working since last, I think, 15 years together, and the way you worked, you helped me in Tata Steel actually.
Right.
And you helped me at Vedanta, though it was very statistic there. And the kind of quality you are maintaining, the kind of service quality you are doing that. So I think it's a great job you did. And so in India, at least now with EA Square, your presence in the market, there are some few others also, but I think when you started in 2005, 2002, something like that.
Yes.
So that's your contribution is very big in terms of Lotto in India. The message is very simple, Hazardous energy, as the name implies, is hazardous to the processes and the people. And people must look into that. The people who are working on the equipments, who are allowed to work onto the equipment to maintain or to start, install, they must be given a safe equipment to work upon. And if it is energized, hazardous energy, you must ensure that those are isolated. People have to be given a safe equipment by ensuring the safety of the people through isolations. So eliminate those exposure to the hazardous energy by isolating. That is the Lotto. And you can only do if you have a adequate knowledge and training, knowing about the process and the equipment, that what kind of energy it has, how to isolate, and you must isolate.